Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best coin magnifier is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious coin collector, allowing you to closely examine the intricate details, subtle wear patterns, and hidden marks that can significantly impact a coin's value and historical significance. From identifying mint marks and detecting counterfeit coins to appreciating the artistry and craftsmanship of each piece, a high-quality magnifier can transform your coin collecting experience, unlocking a deeper understanding and appreciation for your collection. Number 5. AIXPI 30x Magnifying Glass. Experience the clarity you deserve with our powerful magnifying glass. Its real glass lenses provide superior magnification, reducing eye strain and making reading easier. Unlike some magnifiers with plastic lenses, this one boasts real glass for exceptional image quality. Enjoy crisp, clear vision without distortion. It features 12 ultra-bright LEDs to illuminate your reading material, reducing eye strain and fatigue. This makes it perfect for low-light conditions. It's completely assembled and ready to use with just 2 AA batteries, not included. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. With 30x magnification, it's ideal for reading small print, inspecting jewelry, or examining coins. See details you never noticed before. This magnifier is perfect for seniors or anyone with low vision. The LED lighting and ergonomic design offer comfort and ease of use. What we like. This magnifying glass boasts a real glass lens for superior clarity and durability. Its bright LED lights significantly reduce eye strain, perfect for those with low vision. If you value quality optics and ease of use, this is the magnifier for you. Number 4. JMH 30x Magnifying Glass. It offers 30x magnification, making even the smallest print easy to read. This is perfect for those with low vision or difficulty focusing. With 18 bright LEDs and 3 lighting modes, it provides excellent illumination in any setting. Enjoy comfortable reading, even in low light. It's simple to use, just turn it on and start magnifying. No complicated setup is needed, making it ideal for seniors and anyone who wants ease of use. The large 3.15-inch lens provides a clear, magnified view without distortion. It's perfect for detailed tasks and reading small print. It's a thoughtful gift for seniors or anyone with vision challenges. Help them enjoy reading and detailed tasks again with ease. What we like. Experience superior magnification with this powerful magnifier. The 18 LED lights with 3 adjustable modes ensure optimal illumination in any setting. If you need versatile lighting and high magnification, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is a heavy-duty magnifier with awesome lighting. It has 2 types of light settings, one that is white light, the other a more yellow shade of lighting. It's powerful and was priced below what I would have expected for this high quality of a magnifying device. The lighting options are very helpful, particularly when I need light to view small print. Clarity is excellent. Clean clear view with this all-in-one magnifying glass. With 2 shades of light, this tool is perfect for any close-up inspection. I use it for coin details, but it will work well with any item you need to see close up. Number 3. 30x 40x LED Magnifying Glass. It's very convenient to use. Indoors, plug it into any USB port for continuous light. Outdoors, use 3 AAA batteries, not included. With 32 built-in LED lights, it provides extra brightness for reading in low-light conditions. This is perfect for those with vision challenges. Experience crystal-clear vision with its high-clarity, double-layered lenses. It offers distortion-free magnification for even the smallest print. Its unique folding design allows it to stand on a table like a desk lamp or magnifying glass. It's portable for reading or can be used as a hands-free magnifier for detailed tasks. It's ideal for seniors and anyone needing assistance with reading, sewing, or close-up work. It's perfect for intricate details and crafts. What we like. This magnifier offers dual magnification for ultimate detail. Its bright LEDs and folding design provide versatility for various tasks and spaces. If you need a versatile magnifier that can stand on its own, this is perfect for you. Number 2. Elikliv EDM4 Digital Microscope. It boasts a 4.3-inch LCD screen with 720p HD resolution. Enjoy clear, real-time images and videos, even in low light, thanks to 8 built-in LED lights. This large screen also reduces eye strain. Zoom in and explore incredible details. It offers magnification from 50x to 1000x, letting you see the tiniest features. Note that actual magnification may vary depending on distance and screen size. Easily connect it to your Windows PC or MacBook for a larger view. Share live images with others and save your findings for later analysis. 8 adjustable LED lights provide optimal illumination. Get clear, detailed images even in low light conditions, improving overall image quality. It's perfect for various tasks. From inspecting circuit boards and coins to educational purposes, it's a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. The adjustable stand allows you to easily find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus. This ensures optimal clarity at any magnification level. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it provides up to 3 hours of continuous use. Take it anywhere for extended exploration, both indoors and outdoors. What we like. This digital microscope provides incredibly high magnification and a large, clear LCD screen. It also connects to your computer for even larger viewing and sharing. If you need high magnification and digital capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. The light is bright, makes the image clear and easy to see. Clear, precise, sharp images of the coins I was examining. Could even take sharp pictures. The magnification is fine and the picture is clear. Number 1. JARLINK Jeweler's Loupe. Get ready to explore the intricate details of your favorite items. Inside, you'll find 2 high-quality magnifiers, each with multiple magnification levels and convenient features. This magnifier offers incredible versatility. Switch between 30x, 60x, and 90x magnification to examine even the smallest details with ease and precision. It boasts both a bright LED light for clear visibility and a UV light for detecting fluorescent materials. These lights ensure you can always see what you need to see, no matter the lighting conditions. The second magnifier provides 30x and 60x magnification options. It's perfect for everyday use and quick inspections. Made from durable aluminum alloy and high-quality plastic, it's designed to withstand daily use. Its compact size makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. From jewelry and coins to stamps and minerals, it's the perfect tool for anyone who needs a closer look at small objects. Discover a world of detail you never knew existed. What we like. This set includes 2 magnifiers with multiple magnification levels, including a UV light for detecting fluorescent materials. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. If you need multiple magnification options and portability, this is the best choice. What people say. LED light very bright, one having a blue light. With multiple viewing strengths. Excellent crystal clear lenses, excellent viewing. Came with batteries already installed for the lights. Came with tools to open battery compartments and little cloth bags in which to store items. For what it's worth, these are still working well after months of use. The lights work well and the lenses appear to be good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.